Okay, so we've got the small handle here. It has like a plastic washer on it. And 2 grooves. You can go either way. I think it can rotate 9 degrees, so it can go on that way, or it can slip around and go on that way, whichever way suits. I'm going to go that way just because it seems to fit better. Put my little grey washer on. Put this banger on. Now, you got this thing. You've got your clip here. You could bend that down to make this a tighter fit. I'm not going to do it just yet because I don't want to break it, and I'm going to be very careful with that because once that breaks, you're in a little bit of trouble, I would say. So I'm going to be very cautious with that. So until that, you've got your holes here at the top. Slides on the big one and pushes into the little one. It's easier if you put the big one on first, and maybe because my cover overlaps it a bit, I find it easier if I just put the big one on first, there at the top here, and then put my little clip in at the back, and then slide it towards the back of the car, which I just did, hardly saw it. Now it's a bit loose. Like I said, that clip would tighten it. Pull that in, but that's locked.